How to fix Instagram comments. If you have any problem with the comments on Instagram, this video is gonna help you. So just keep watching until the end and don't forget to like, subscribe. First thing you have to do guys is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps, scroll until you find Instagram. If you didn't find it, just search for it like this. When you find it, click on it. Now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Click on the notifications management, scroll down until you find likes and comments, and make sure that this option is enabled, and then scroll, go to the comments option. This is the most important option. Click on allow notifications and make sure that also the display in status bar is enabled and the badges is enabled. Now go back to the settings again, click here on force stop, and that's it. Reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.